Reflex Marine is a small company that's existed for about 30 years now. We are UK based, but with customers in 85 countries. We have been developing for 5 years JAVELIN, which is an anchoring solution for deep water wind. We were selected to participate in the Launch Academy, and this has allowed us access to experts, access to developers. So we've been able to validate what we are doing. We've been working on design, development, testing, and this has allowed us to see that we are going in the right direction. So next year we're going to be focusing as well on looking how we can get the JAVELIN in the water. So this has really helped us focus on where we need to go.